There, we should be good to go. All right. So,
Okay,
is everyone ready to go straight to the quiz? I am,
I
I
am.
think.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me.
All right.
Mhm.
So, what'd you guys get for 3? I wasn't quite sure on that one.
So I got C, but I don't know if that was right.
I
I
couldn't
was
really
I was
find
thinking
the
either A or C. Yeah.
What did you think, Jeff?
I'm leaning more towards C, but I'm not 100% sure.
B1.
Yeah. It's probably C.
Oh, yeah.
I think it.
Okay, you're right. It's C because it's the not equal 0.
Yeah.
It's at the bottom of the
Uh-huh.
reading in the remember section.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. Cool.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, for 4, did you guys get B?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So did I.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, since I asked, but.
Then for 5, I wasn't sure because I just don't know about 5.
Yeah, I was trying to see that one. I couldn't even figure that one out.
That's where I got stuck.
Yeah.
I know A's wrong, I know B's wrong, and I know C's wrong, but I'm not. So it would have to be D.
Kind of sums it up right there.
Yeah.
I guess that's one way to narrow it down.
Um,
Yeah, let me check it out real quick.
does it say? Yeah, I couldn't find anything in the reading so far.
Yeah, I know the section it's in. It's in 3.3. And so it says if there's a pattern in the residuals, it suggests that linear regression is not appropriate. So that means A's false.
Yeah.
And then clearly the one that had us do that says it works has negatives in it, so that means B's false. And C is kind of the same as A because that means there's a pattern because you see a shape.
Yeah.
You'd suggest D.
So I would think B but just because the other ones I think are all false.
Yeah, so D as in dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Cool. Okay, I gotta pull this up real quick.
Yeah, me too.
So we just supposed to make a residual plot on this one?
So is this kind of like the same thing we did in the last lesson?
Kinda, I think.
I think we pull up the same stuff, don't you?
Except this pulls up a confidence interval, and it didn't do that last time, did it?
I don't think so.
I don't know. That's fine. Hey, Jeff, when are you starting the NP program again?
I'm hoping next fall.
Okay.
I'm trying to get my certified emergency nurse certificate done
Oh.
before that, just because I think it'd look good on the application.
Oh yeah, that's for sure.
Plus, what they say, they recommend 3 years of critical care experience.
Yeah.
And I'll be 3 years critical care, and I'll have 4 to 5 years as a nurse by then. So
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I'll
That's
have
awesome.
I'll have a good basis there.
Yeah.
That's my goal, at least.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Guys, I'm gonna answer this really fast. It's my wife, real quick. So
No,
I'll be
you're
right
good,
back.
dude.
I think she needs a ride from school,
Okay.
but I'll call her really quick. You done? Yeah, we decided. You done?
Oh, are you making a different one?
Yeah. Header. It's like it's all in the footer.
Everything is in the footer?
Like. I'm pretty sure. I don't know.
Everything was in the footer.
That's okay though, right? Is it? Or no?
Like,
It just makes it hard to like format and like move
Oh, I
things, so it,
see.
like, wants to stay within.
Ah. Okay, so Jeff, we just go to analyze, regression, linear, right?
Yeah.
And then what is our independent?
I think just from what they're saying here, that the independent is the confidence, and that the score data, it says score data is response, so I think that's the dependent variable, if it's response.
You guys still on number 6?
6, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we have to do the linear regression analysis, right? Or what was that?
Yeah.
Yeah, the regression analysis. How do we do that again? That's just...
So you got to analyze linear, or analyze regression linear.
Oh, okay.
Then I think you have to make a box, not a box plot, a scatter dot thing chart for it.
Yeah. Is it?
I think it's C. I think the residuals form a linear pattern, but
So is it just?
I'm not sure I did it right.
Is it just a simple scatter dot again?
Yeah, and you do the information with the residual data.
So
So
what
you
is
do the
that?
scatter dot, the simple scatter, and then you put the unstandardized residual data as your y-axis, and I think you put your score as your x-axis.
Oh. Wait. So I have score as my x, but then the unstandardized. Where did you get that?
So when you, if I do it this way, it gives me a different chart. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I know. This was the last lesson, wasn't it?
Yeah, when you do the regression linear thing,
Yeah.
if you click on save, and on the right side you have a box called residuals, you select unstandardized, and it gives you another box of information to do things with.
Ah, that's what it was. Linear. I'm gonna do this again because.
Yeah, I screwed my first one up.
Save. Unstandardized. That's where it was. Dude, I did horrible on this last homework assignment because I couldn't remember the unstandardized part, I think.
I did too. I did really bad.
All right, so yeah, when I do that right, it kind of gives me a scattered box like it talks about in the reading. So
why is our unstandardized and then scores are X?
no, I think that the reading says you put your independent variable, so you'd put the confidence as the independent. This confidence we think is independent, so you put the confidence data as your X.
Oh, I see. And then your unstandardized is your Y?
Yes.
Would you put for your dependent variable? That was...
So I think that confidence data is independent and score data is the dependent.
Okay.
Whoa, look how straight that line is.
Oh, I didn't get a straight line.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Mine's like super straight. Correct.
Oh my goodness.
Here, I'm about there. I'll try to do mine and see what what happens.
Our luck will I'll get something different.
I know.
I'm just ready for this class to be over. The way I see it, as long as we do good with our group assignment, you know, these last two little group things, our big group assignment, these last two little things aren't going to affect the grades hardly at all.
Yeah.
Not at all.
And as long as I can do relatively well with the final,
Uh-huh.
my grade should stay the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I
you
can
guys,
get a C in this class, I'll be happy.
yeah.
B minus, great. C, I'm still able to get in the masters with that, but I don't know if that's very impressive.
You put score as your y-axis and confidence as your x, or was it the other way around?
So confidence is your X, and the unstandardized residual is your Y.
Okay.
Did I say that right?
Yeah.
So what did you get?
Mine is loading.
Well, Jeff, what did you get for your, let's say, like your unstandardized coefficients?
How do I do that?
So it should already be in there.
Oh, so my unstandardized coefficient. Oh,
So I got
so the 18.69 and 12.695.
Yeah, that's what I got. I
So
don't
we
know
got
why
the
I got a
same.
different graph than you.
Yeah, I don't know. And you used your unstandardized residuals as your Y and confidence rating mean as your X, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird.
Mine was everywhere.
Yeah, that's
Okay, so I did
mine is
something
too.
wrong. Okay, so I'm going to do regression, linear. I already got all that stuff. So I did, in the dependent, did we do score and then independent confidence rating? Right?
What was that? Sorry.
So I'm just doing the linear regression again. So for dependent, we did score, and then independent, we did confidence rating mean. And then you save, and you put in your unstandardized. Is there anything else we need to put in that?
Yeah, you just click. Make sure you click the under save. Click on the unstandardized.
Okay, yeah.
And then you may want to go to statistics and select the confidence intervals. Because I imagine they'll ask that eventually.
Oh, good point. Okay, I got that, and then I'm going to go to graphs, legacy dialog, scatter plot, simple scatter. And then we got our unstandardized predicted value, and then our confidence, or the unstandardized is y, isn't it?
Yeah, so unstandardized residual is y-axis.
Did you guys look somewhat like that? Or am I way off?
Let's see. I think my first one did when I did it with the other data.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so when I did it with score, that's what mine looked like, and when I did it with confidence, it looked random.
Uh-huh.
So mine is just like completely straight again.
Huh. Why would it give us different things?
I don't know.
Here, I'll do a screen share, and I'll see if I'm doing it the same way you are.
Mm-hmm. I didn't realize we could do this the whole time, that we had a screen share option to like do the work while we're doing the meeting.
So mine looks like that. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah. At least they're all going in the same general direction.
Yeah.
You know?
Never mind, I won't do a screen share. It won't let me. That's weird. I wonder why it won't. Oh well.
Weird, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
So
Should we?
what? Yeah.
The score data is...
Oh, there. Maybe I can do a screen share. I just have so many different screens opening up. It's like, what do you want to try and share with everyone?
Yeah, mine had like 6 different options.
Well, between A, B, and C, which one do you guys think? It wouldn't be...
Okay, here. So can everyone see my screen?
Yeah.
That's what mine came out looking like right there.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
So here, I'll show you what I did, and we'll see if We're on the same page.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I did my residuals there. So I go to graphs, legacy dialog, scatter dot,
hmm
simple, and then I got the unstandardized residual there
Oh,
in confidence. Is that what you did?
mine says unstandardized. Let me check.
Yeah.
Let
I'll
me
just
see
check
here.
mine real quick too.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start over.
Here, I will too. So math efficacy.
Bless you. All right.
So you get your data here. You go to analyze, regression, linear,
Yeah.
and then dependent we decided was score, right?
Yep.
Yeah. And then confidence is independent.
Save.
Yeah, thank you. You click the unstandardized residual.
Okay. I don't think I did that. I didn't do this part.
So that gives us that. Then go to graphs, legacy, scatter dot, and y-axis is the unstandardized, and confidence.
I think
Hit
I know
OK.
wrong.
Yeah, see that gives it to me again that way. So
So we did y-axis is your. See, it's giving me confidence rating mean and unstandardized predicted value.
what was that?
So it's giving me unstandardized predicted value.
Oh,
Instead of-
you're doing the same way we did the last lesson.
So what am I doing wrong?
So when you hit the save button,
Yeah.
you're clicking on the left side, the unstandardized predicted value, and for this one, you click the unstandardized residual on the right side of that little box.
Oh, no wonder why I got it wrong.
That's funny. I almost did that same thing.
Because yeah, that's what we were doing last lesson.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let me pull this up one more time. Sorry.
No, you're good, dude.
Yeah. So it must be. Is it?
Okay.
Would it be the residuals are between -40 and 25 then?
Yeah, I think you're probably right. It probably is A.
Residuals. I see.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so one more time. Unstandardized residual is Y. Confidence is X.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I got the same thing you guys did now.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Now we're on the same page.
So what?
Yeah, I think Joe's right. I think it's A.
Yeah.
Because if you look on that scatter on the box, everything doesn't go below -40 and doesn't go above 25. So
Yeah.
Cool.
So would this be clearly not normal since they don't follow a linear line?
so then you need to do a QQ plot on them. I don't remember how to do a QQ plot.
Isn't it just graphs? Is a QQ plot in your box plot? What is a QQ plot? Sorry, space.
I know we redid it at some point.
Yeah.
Is it a box plot?
I honestly don't remember.
We'll see here.
I remember seeing that just now. Hold on.
that definitely did not work. Hmm.
Real quick.
For a normal QQ plot calculator we can assess, we simply make a QQ plot. I like this part. Once the residual has been calculated in SPSS, we can assess if they are normally distributed using QQ plot. We simply make a QQ plot of the residual.
Yeah, and the reading it does not help.
It's simple. I'm so desperate, I'm just going to type this into the internet really fast and make sure I got the right idea of what a QQ plot is.
Well, it shows it what it is on there. It looks like a... Man, what are they called?
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Not the entire nation. What did I just do? How did I... Oh, shoot.